Good day, everyone. We are a group of student tours, and today we would like to share a short talk titled Beyond Bullet Points, Mastering the Art and Science of Digital Presentations. My name is Shengu Yue. In university, we often use PowerPoint for presentations. However, many slides are filled with long bullet points, and audiences often feel tired or confused. In this presentation, we will explain why this happens and how better slide design can improve communication. Many slides fail not because the content is wrong, but because the design makes information difficult to process. When slides contain too much text, the audience tries to read and listen at the same time. That often leads to confusion and loss of attention. In addition, bullet points usually have no clear visual focus, so the audiences does not know what is most important. To understand why slide design matters, we need to introduce two key ideas. The first one is visual communication. Slides should support what the speaker says. Every word, good visuals guide the audience's attention. The second idea is cognitive load, which refers to how much mental effort the audience needs to understand information. While slides when are crowded and text-heavy, cognitive load increases, and learning becomes less effective. Therefore, effective slides should be simple, focused, and visually clear.
Hello everyone, my name is Shan Yiqin. My student number is 8214869. Today I will talk about why we should move beyond bullet points in digital presentations. Many business slides are full of text and long bullet points. When this happens, the audience feels overloaded and confused. Instead of listening to the speaker, they start reading the slide. Good slide design helps reduce cognitive load and makes information easy to understand. This is why professional formatting is very important in business presentations. This slide shows a typical before example of a business presentation. The slide is full of bullet points and a complete sentence. All the information looks equally important. There is no clearly made message for the audience. Because of this, the audience needs to spend more time reading the slide. At the same time, the speaker is talking. This forces the audience to read and listen at once. As a result, cognitive load increases. In business communication, this kind of slide is not effective. Important messages are easily forgotten. This shows how poor formatting can weaken the delivery of business information. This slide shows the after version with professional formatting. The key message is clear at first glance. They are fewer words, but the meaning is stronger. The audience can quickly understand the main business result. Good design helps to guide attention and reduce cognitive load. It helps the audience focus on what is important. This makes the presentation easy to follow and remember. This is how professional slide design improves the delivery of business information.
Hello everyone, my name is Zhang Ru, and my part is about slide tips. The first tip is visualization is better than text before. This project results in plain text such as sales increased by 15% this quarter, customers' satisfaction increased to 92 points, and team's efficiency increased by 20%. After use icon add data combination rising a row icon at 15%. Smiley face chart at 92 points. Team collaboration icon at 90%. Core points, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and visual elements allow the audience to grasp the core information within 3 seconds. The second tip is restraint in creating focus before improvement. The page is full of text, including background analysis, multiple goals, detailed processing, visual design, description. After improvement, each page only covered one's core ideas, such as detonating market attention as the only goal with the 2 key points of 5,000 potential customers and the immersive experience, leaving a lot of white space to highlight the key point. Key takeaway: less is more, and white space directs attention to what matters most. The second tip is consistent establish a sense of professionalism before improvement. Use different fonts, different colors, different layout on each page. And the overall mess after improvement, the whole PPT use 1 to 2 fonts, 3 to 4 bright colors, and fixed layout structure, and maintains the same margins, title size, and icon styles on each page. Key takeaway: visual consistency makes presentation more professional and believable, making it easier for viewers to follow along with ideas. These 3 techniques improve the professional level of PPT from the 3 dimension of information presentations. Content, streamlined and visual unit, and suitable for quickly convenient for the core points in a 10-minute speech. And this part is about conclusion. The first student is talk about what's wrong with many slides. She talk about the common problems such as too much text, no visual focus, and core ideas. The ideas is about visual communication or simplistic and focus. And the second student talk about why slide design matters. She thinks the too many bullet point overloads the audience and the people read slide instead of listening. And the next part she's talk about pro business slide uh, in the before design and to exchange the after design like professional slide. And the second student is mine to talk about slide tips. And as the list, I think PPT is an extremely tool, and the speakers is protagonist, so I will reading PPT's content. And the number 2, I think excellent PPT equal clear content logic and a prosperous visual experience and consistent brand image. Okay, thank you for listening. Our PowerPoint is finished.